In front of me is Google Pixel 6a, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First, launch settings. Second, hit connected devices available here. And third, just click on connection preferences to select printing. Over here. Now, if you want to use any other service than a default one, you need to download it. It will appear over here. Don't worry, they all turn on the same, so just tap on yours and make sure this switcher is blue. Now wait, because your device is looking for a printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it. If you're still having some issues with connecting, make sure this switcher is blue and tap on those three dots that will appear at the top right corner. Hit Add Printer. Tap on the switcher next to Wi-Fi Direct Printing. Select Allow and tap on Find so your smartphone can search for your printer. Or go with old school way, tap on Add Printer by IP address, input it here, and select Add to connect manually. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!